Hello, my name's Bruce Neff, and I'm here at the ScreenLED trailer LED booth, and we're showing one of our many trailers that we build. We have a complete range from a very small single axle trailer to a double axle trailer, and we're showing the mobile LED, which the screen on this trailer can be a maximum of 28 square meters. The screen that we're showing here is 16.5 square meters. So the screen can be 4 meters tall by 7 meters wide. Our manufacturing facility is in Poland. It's very high quality, brand new, and we feel we deliver one of the best values in the mobile screen industry. You can get accessories like a control room, you can get a power generator, you can add in the future air conditioning, and it's LED agnostic. So you can put your own screen on it, or you can buy a screen that we have in stock at the factory for fast delivery. So we would hope that anybody that's interested in a mobile LED, please contact us to get a quote. Our website is screen-led.pl. Thank you.